it up, me there behind.
Yeah.
You coming like December, girl, you full up a surprise.
Wow.
Me put you on your back and slip the wood.
Wow. You see the wow them different? Wow, monthly. You see how the wow them different? You see how the wow them different? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in the pack with another video for you guys. Right now, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so I have Mafi Best. You don't know it's chopping an official video. You didn't say it's been on for 4 days, but I'm just gonna get the reaction right now. So I'm up to the whole and listen to the song already. I'm up to the whole and watch the video already. I'm up to the whole and ready for the reaction box reaction right now. You understand me? So like up the video, people comment on this video to see you're commenting the video that I post. So you know, post every single day. You understand me? For the past week, I've been feeling a little bit sick. Not even a little bit, but super sick. You understand me? But we recover. I wouldn't say I'm 100%, but I'm 90% there right now. You understand me? I say you shout out to Hideout Clothing. Said Speed, big up Mafi, said Speed. Big up the whole of Guyana, said Speed. Big up the whole Caribbean. Because so I'm going for the video right now. Right now.
TRK Records.
Big up TRK Records.
Yeah.
Mafi gone and the girl them yard. Whoa, we got them now. Little slowly but surely. Some more coming at the mail. Yeah, man, I tell the company them to send them forward. Yeah, we're not upon the reaction them again like Nana Jewelry now. But anyways, he got in the girl yard, gonna link up her. Go on.
Girl, you give me the best fuck.
Sure.
Anytime me in you, that I'm my best love.
Whoa.
Done back way.
You see that girl body firm? You see how she cock up? But no one line him say she give you the best. Oh. She look good. Me nah lie, Tony. If I'm lying, I'm dying. But go on.
You make me cocky enter. Your face pretty and your little body slender. Come make me give you something where you are gonna remember.
Me I look for you. Me I think I go back in and must see her, you know. I must see her again, you know. But lyrics are sharp and the girl them look good already. That's all we can ask for. That's all we can ask for. So me could go and preach no man.
Girl, are you alone for breed, my child?
Yeah.
Me nah fi go a road, cause this is my type of vibe.
Yeah.
Me love the way you ride it, girl, you know fi take your time, commit.
The man them a cut the land. We never talk fake if you not hear that. But yo, the man say she are the best, you see me? Him not fi go road. She have to carry him child right now. You over some of you say? Talk to them now from like other girl that time.
Me whisper now you ears, you cock it up, me there behind.
Yeah.
You coming like December, girl, you full up a surprise.
Wow.
Me put you on your back and slip the wood.
Wow. You see the wow them different? Wow, monthly. You see how the wow them different? You see how the wow them different? And the past smoking a wow. You know me? I don't know what they were talking about either. The Christmas wow. The girl wow. But the dog said she come like December. She full up a surprise. Christmas time. Gifts. Yo. Wow. Flexible. Dark skin. Hello. Run tune.
Between your thighs, your pussy good, it bring a bag of blessings to my life. So tell your man fi step aside and me a fuck you for the night.
Hey, no, hold on, man. I forgot to look back on the girl right there, sir. The one right there, sir.
Good, it bring a bag of blessings to my life. So tell your man fi step aside and me a fuck
you. Right. Tyreek! A long time. Drop me some sound effect there. Yeah! You deserve that, little girl. You deserve that. Yo, the move on, man, and stop. Yo, not cut when man met with the dog. Look how she set, watch it arch. Me like you. Me like you. Me hope you see the scene in another video. Me like you. Russian boss, see you. Go on.
You feeling out? Me nah like girl, you give me comfort.
Yeah.
Every single day I saw you in my thoughts. Your pussy wet to make me a feel.
Man say nah like she give him comfort every single day she in him task. But me the singer. Me the instrumental that's somewhere already. Girl, are you me love no other cat me no prefer? Girl, are you me love? You, Jamil, you me love, yeah. I like me I tell. Alright, different instrumentalists, dog. Girl, are you me love no other pussy me no prefer? And I'm tell you time whenever.
Come back. Me love it when you go down pon the cocky and pass. Girl, what you do to my feelings?
She go down pon the cocky and do what? When she go down pon it and do what?
Go down pon the cocky and pass. Girl, what you do to
what? Move on the bomb back. Yo, dog. Jano, what she go down pon it and do what? What she do? Alright.
my feelings? Your pussy are the realest.
Yeah.
Love it when you beg me for the penis. Me want your feel.
Dogs, her pums are the realest. And them like when she beg her for the penis. I look over Mafi, I look for her. Someone I look for her and say, yeah, girl. Yeah. Me know you feel bad boy though. Yeah. At your face. I never say that. You feel it? You know you feel it, man. Yeah, man. Hey, them girl don't want me to no music video because I be a trouble mood again. When we don't touch up with nobody, you go to your man, you remember about me. You sleep with the man and me, I think about if you have man. You turn there. You turn there. If me the artist, me ras. Go on.
Boy. Girl, you really turn me on.
Yeah.
Love the way your pussy just a print out of your drawings. The way you rap.
Like I walk out sometimes, I see them, I think me nah look. Me up on the streets and I see the girl them with the fat pum pum. Me have to say so that I look. How fast over there, so I go on, babes. Your pussy fat. You have to tell them straight up, so them pussy fat. You make the girl know so them pum pum fat, dog. Yeah. You understand? Go on.
It good, you need a round of applause. You have a permanent space now, me yard.
Yeah.
Do all your body had to make it hard for cuddle. Me just want
Clean. To all her body hot, man. To all her body hot, she make it hard for cuddle. But which way I think of them lyrics here? But the man say the next thing. We have to swing for them ends. But do that long time. Go up. But Bumbuckle, man, forget to me I go say that. To her body hot swing Bumbuckle. To her body hot. You should make it hard to cuddle, you did me I say. But no, the dog say, him give her a round of applause. Bumbuckle. Go on.
push it in a tummy, touch your belly button. I mean we bustin' on your belly, something like a bubble. I want around done already, make we bust a double.
This when it come to them kind of song here, brother. We can look out next year, 9 months from now. A whole heap of baby mother. Whole heap of them. Them kind of song here bring baby mother. Them kind of song here make people girl pitney breed. The artists them know what them are doing, them reach them kind of song here them time of year here too now. A cold time of year now. Snow soon starts to shall live right now. You did me I say? You did me? Alright. I think I have to say 40 more about that. Go on!
Me nah like girl, you give me comfort. Every single day I saw you in my thoughts. Your pussy wet to make me have to come back.
I wanna do to me. I want me to do no. Wanna go on so bad in the video for? No, somebody watch. Them Mafi tell them so they go watch any video you put out now. Tell them so they go react to any video so them to behave themselves now, Mafi. Tell them so to behave themselves now, please. Me go watch some more.
Love it when you go down pon the cocky and pass.
Oh,
tell her what you do to my feelings.
Yeah.
Your pussy are the real.
And she had a jumpy cheeks them separately. Jump. Bumbuckle. Me don't know a man that really love pum pum like me love pum pum in the dog. Me don't think so nobody this that really love pum pum like me. Me not lie too no. But go on.
Love it when you beg me for the penis. Me want you feel it. Boy, your body good make any money.
Thank you now for creating females. Wow. 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 There's some man that is run like can never have a woman. Like, not even said naked, just this like this in a them bed. So, you understand me? No for them man they can never have this. I was a woman in them bed overall. Much less looking like this, shaped like this, dressed like this. You know what I mean? Someone can only dream about them something. You did me a try show no? So big up on yourself still. Go on.
Me feel like a king with you in a different seat. Me say me want fuck and she say shut up and do it. If we no fuck 5 hours then the fuck no complete, girl.
Man tell her say more. She say shut up and do it. You don't have to tell her nothing. Just take it. You mean? Buckle it. I mean. People. That's clear, dog. Go. Big up to the girl them too. They may also big up to the beautiful ladies, I should say. Sorry. My apologies, females. Big up to the beautiful ladies out there. The reaction boss really appreciate the video them. You see me, I want to bring a special energy. You know, talk to me. You understand? Right? So look on her. She talk to me. She Tyrekevlogs, look at me. And now go and press play. You understand me? You know, talk to me. Go on.
You're my bad bitch, plus you're savage.
Yes.
And you're clean and your pum pum no average. Tell me.
You're bad bitch. You see me, I say? Plus you're savage. And you're clean and your pum pum no average. Big up to the good body woman them, yeah, man. Bobo clap. You must represent for them. Represent for them, people. It's a Guyanese artist. They don't talk. All him forward from Guyana. But go on.
Anything you want, as long as you're taking off your dress.
What you do to my
He must say my girl anything what she want as long as she take off her dress. You a general. You a general. You're general, you. Go on.
Girl, you give me comfort. Every single day I saw you in my thoughts.
Yeah.
Your pussy wet to make feelings. Your pussy I
hope I know your woman, you know. Because if I hear a woman
Simple
that
mobile note.
I may talk about your woman, so I trouble me in there, you know, Mafi. My apologies for your woman, but big up on yourself, big up to Idol Clothing for the drip. As you check them up on Instagram at the Idol Clothing. You don't know the chat. Big up Mafi said speak. Go check out Mafi. Link to the original song down below in the description of this video. Go print for yourself. Drop some comment on the video to see your comment next video that I post. And we'll post every single day. You know what I mean? I'm out. Peace.